Dear viewers, today we see the complex 4 of electron transport chain. Complex 4 is nothing but cytochrome C oxidase. It contains two cytochromes, that are cytochrome A and cytochrome A3. Cytochrome A is paired with a copper atom, copper A, and cytochrome A3 is with a different copper atom, that is copper B. During electron transfer, the ion atoms of the cytochromes cycle between Fe3 plus and Fe2 plus states, whilst the copper atoms cycle between Cu2 plus and Cu plus. The cytochrome C oxidase reaction is complex. It transfers 4 electrons from 4 cytochrome C molecule and 4 H plus ions to molecular oxygen to form 2 molecules of water. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for the watching.